So I'm just
Look at this.
A 5.5, and this and the black one and the orange one are the goldfish, but the other one is a short tail.
okay.
It's a easy for ornamental.
Ornamentals.
We have a koi cup
Quick up.
here. We have a hypochromine.
So which color are they? Black?
Some are black, some are orange, some are yellow.
Here.
Yes.
Look at this. Woo! This is what we need now. Look at this.
The olechromine niroticas, post fingerlings.
For the people who want to know what's an aquarium, this is just an aquarium that's constructed. This is just a glass just made just combined with glues, and it's now called an aquarium, like this one. Transferring them. This is how they look like. So you just inlise it into the water, so as the water pond first should go in.
Oh.
Yeah. So as to now go out on itself.
Oh, so you don't even touch it.
Yeah, you don't touch it. When pond water will now go, it will now neutralize it. Then it will now neutralize the water that was down in. You can now see it's now going.
Hey, you're a real fisherman.
It's now going. It's there.
Wow.
It has disappeared. Yeah. Hey guys, how are you? It's underscore Gintu back again here. I am still in Kisii County. People of Kisii, thank you very much for linking me up. I'm just now starting these vlogs here. I don't know the place. What's the place just called? But I'm just going to link you up wherever I am. I'm just in the offices where the rearing of fish is just undergoing into this area, whereby I want to show you more about whatever we need in terms of stocking to marwa's fish ponds, which are just the golden fish, whatever colored fish we need, like turtles. We are just going to link you up. It's underscore Gintu. Welcome back. Wow, these are just the offices. Look. Let me follow these guys here.
I'm okay.
Where I am, by the way?
You are at the Kemfree Kigati station.
Kigati station.
Yes.
Oh, the name of this area?
The name of this area is Nyanguru.
Nyanguru.
Nyanguru location.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is where now the rearing of fish is just taking place. The hatching, from the hatching to brood fish to whatever, to big fish.
This is where everything is done.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, here I have some turtles. We are just... So guys, I'm just going to show you the kind of a turtle we have here. This is the turtle, guys. So I'm just going to take it. This is what I'm looking for, but it's just somewhat small. How old is it? Approaching 2 years. Look at this. Approaching 2 years. Woo! So the point I'm just going to drive home. Am I going to construct this kind of an aquarium, or you can just put it at the small pond?
No, we can even construct it for you if
A
you
pond.
want. Maybe you make
This
an
aquarium?
offer. Yes.
What about a pond?
We are not purchasing it. No. Maybe
Or you have
make-
these glasses?
Yeah.
So the only thing is just gluing it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just an aquarium,
Just
small
that.
aquarium. So the point I'm just driving home. What about we talk about? I have a unique pond for these turtles.
There's no problem. You can have.
It can stay outside?
Maybe you can. Yeah, it can. So long as it is in water, it can stay in the house.
But I saw some turtles having some reddish color. Oh, those are some are old.
No, not
The more
even
they-
the whole the species. You know, you can have maybe like tilapia. We have tilapia exclentus. We have niloticas.
Yeah.
exclantus, Nairobi chipe, all they are tilapia, but they have
Different colors.
Features. Yes, you can differentiate from Baringo to Ensis, you can differentiate to chipe to tilapia niloticus.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have to put some stones onto my fish pond first?
You know, here sometimes a turtle is something like ornamental.
Yeah, these are even golden fish, they are just ornamentals.
Yeah. To beautify this thing, you have to put some gravel, some flowers, some hyacinths.
Okay,
Yeah.
point second.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yes.
look at this.
Yes.
Look at this. This is just a small aquarium, just a cupboard. Can talk about a cupboard. They're just inserted inside a cupboard. You can just now view them how they are. Some gravels down here.
It's just an housing, eh? Yes,
the
there's a gravel.
ones, gravels.
Yes.
Okay. Here we have some small reddish tails. Oh, colorful. Look at this. Wow, 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 wow. Some. We have some reddish color. We have some black, yellowish color. Look at them, guys. We have now, these are
Goldfish, yeah? And these are the black one and the orange one are the goldfish, but the other one is a short tail.
Okay.
It's a different species.
Okay.
You can see.
Wow, look at these guys.
Yes.
This is what we got from this area. So I'm just going to the fish farm now, so as I can just get more details and hints on what they're just rearing onto this area. So guys, keep. They will come. Yeah.
This is for ornamental.
Ornamentals.
We have a koi cup
Quick up.
here. We have a hypochromine.
So which color are they? Black?
Some are black, some are orange, some are yellow.
Here.
Yes, but they cannot be seen. Eh?
How old are they now?
They are very
How many
big.
months?
Let me tell you, they are very big.
How many months?
Like for koi kappa is now 7 months, but for the goldfish 4 months.
4 months.
Yes. I don't know what is happening, and they are not coming.
They're there. Some
These
of
are
it, eh?
tilapias.
Tilapia.
Yes, these are tilapia niloticus. Maybe we can take some time.
Oh, I've
Wait
seen.
for them. Have you seen some?
The far end. Golden one. Yeah.
A very big one. I can see.
You have seen it? Guys, can you see something yellowish from this water? Yeah, they are here.
Very big one.
Very big.
That's a koi kappa.
So it's how many months? 7.
7 months.
We have another one there. 7 months.
They are of different varieties. We have goldfish, Sarasa comet,
Wow. Kuna zingine ndogo. They are now here. Ziko na gold nyuma. Ndogo. Wow. You have something unique here. Oh, you have even small ones here?
No, the small ones are hypochromines. Eh? You know, hypochromine is one of the ornamental fish we have. It's part of the ornamental.
Okay. So guys, whatever we are just talking about, you have a breed, and wherever they see you, they want just to get the feed. You can now see how they just... Wow. Look at this. Woo! This is what we need now. Look at this.
The niloticus post fingerlings. Yeah.
Today biology terms will now kill us here. Hey,
These are tilapia.
tilapia
But
brands.
this is Oloplomis niloticus.
Now tilapia is which genetic name or what? We can talk about tilapia. We have kingdom, have what? So species is now the last one. Genus? The genus name?
Tunahitaji jina sinamu na nini?
How many division?
Hiyo video hata kisoma mimi tulisoma kitabu. Can you see that? Can you
Yeah,
see that?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That a male. The red one is a male.
That's a male one.
Ukiona is red, is ready. Kako ready sasa, it can fertilize the...
It's ready for, you can just do now the fertilization.
Yes.
Wow.
Yani,
The other ones?
they're small. These are post fingerlings.
Post fingerling. They're in post fingerlings.
Yes. Yes.
But if they are just female, they are just gonna brood.
Broodstock is more than 200 to from 150 grams to 200, 300.
Some are.
Not.
Wow.
Some are not 100.
So in such a small pond here, it's about 20 something feet by
20 by 10. Huh?
by 10.
By 10.
How many fish can you just stock here?
Maybe per square meter, we put 3 fish per square meter.
So like this one, the whole of this one?
Is 10 times 20, that's
200.
600.
600 they are here.
Yes.
600.
Yes. For easy growth. But if you want to...
For commercial?
For commercial, that's for commercial.
For commercial?
Yes.
For...
At least maximum, you are supposed to put maybe 5 fish per square meter.
5.
Yes.
If you are... So I thought that...
Maybe change of water.
Oh, do you have inlets?
No, for Atani ponds we have. But
From down?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not from down. We have some inlets and outlets. Like now, we have this. This is an inlet.
Which one?
From which pond?
This one?
Yes.
Oh.
Here is an outlet. We have an outlet from here.
To inlet of this one?
Yeah. Around here.
So what is now... Oh, you have a source of water at this point? This one here?
We don't have a source of water. This is a wetland. This is a wetland. Peter, tell him this is a wetland.
Oh, we can talk about it's a swampy area.
Yes, it's a swampy area.
Oh.
The water comes from...
So what is naturally coming?
Yes, from the ground.
Okay, in terms of capillary. People of biology, today is your day.
People of biology, maybe Peter, you can explain
Biology.
more.
Biology. Okay. I've just understood that one. What about if you have such a pond, this small pond here, and you want to stock here like 2,000 fish? Can it be?
No, as per the recommendation, you cannot stock.
What if you are just using intensive method of feeding?
If you have that, you are allowed. Because maybe it depends on feeding.
Yeah.
It depends on aeration.
Yeah.
Specifically, if you have the water flows in and out.
Yeah.
You
can do it.
Be allowed.
But
if you don't have that, maybe system.
Yeah. It's a hard work,
Yeah.
So okay. Guys, today we are learning more things of now different types of tilapia as a species here. So we have so many brands of tilapia species around this area. You have just got some the language is not vegetable.
Maybe we have a tilapia chipe.
Tilapia chipe?
We have baringwa ensis.
Now they can now come out. Look at this. They're somehow big, and we have a goldish one. Ooh.
Not even gold. Is that a koi cup? The bigger one is a koi cup.
Koi cup.
Yes, it's a koi cup.
Koi now means when we talk about koi in military, it's like people of the same shell, which is called that.
No, it's
so when we talk about koi now, is it now a crossbreed?
No, it's not a crossbreed. It's just an ornamental fish. It's a species.
It's a species.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a species.
You have talked about they are 7 months and 4 months old.
4 months is goldfish, and the koi cup is 7 months.
7 months.
And they are big, eh? You can see them.
Yeah.
These are koi cup.
It's just coming and just chipping it up.
They
are there. You can now see them at the far end.
That one is a koi cup. And that thing is very expensive, you know.
You have talked about 7 months old.
Not even 7 months. We are selling that thing per inch.
Per inch?
Yes. And that per inch for goldfish is 150, and for koi cup is 200 per inch.
Per inch.
Yes.
Things here. We have to learn. They are so big, guys. farm here. What about here? I'm seeing some black.
These only males which are here. They are just
Monosex of male.
Not monosex, they are males. We are just put here to rest.
So when you talk about males only,
Yes.
There's a
You know, when
there's
we
a
are
place
doing-
I was just
when we are doing production, there is a period that the males and the female are separated so that they can have time to rest for some time before going back to produce again.
Oh,
we separate
this is now the
here-
resting pond.
Yeah, the resting point. The
This one?
female, the resting.
Oh,
female
this is
pond,
now the female ponds.
the male pond. The
So-
resting male pond. Maybe they can rest for a month. Maybe for 3 weeks. And they go back.
Oh.
Yes. For production.
Hey. Now, do you drain water or how do you catch them now? To
No, we
reallocate them?
No, we just maybe like now when they are exhausted, when they have done their production and they are exhausted, we just remove from the liner. We separate them, the males and the female, on different unique ponds, so that they can rest for some time before they proceed.
Now, the question I'm just going to ask is just one. I thought somebody else told me in one video in a hatchery zone that whenever they just now hatch, you know, they are multi-breeders now, they pick those eggs, then they go for incubation.
Yes.
After incubation now, they hatch.
I think you could have come earlier. Maybe we could have shown you the process.
Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah,
removing the eggs, removing the fries.
Maybe I'll come back. Maybe I'll come back.
Them to the hatchery.
After Christmas?
Maybe
After fast?
Christmas. After
Or January?
Yeah, January, mid-January. Don't come earlier January. You know, people will be struggling, taking their kids to school, back to school.
So I'll call for confirmation.
Yeah, you
early
confirm.
January. Yeah.
The day when we are sailing,
Yeah.
so you come, you can see the process.
Yeah.
From the mouth, the moving of eggs,
Yeah.
the moving of the fry, taking
Fertilization process at
the
hatching.
fertilization they just eat it naturally.
Oh, it's natural.
It is done inside the water.
Oh, now you take the brood fish while they have incubated it.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
I think you can just find time and come. You see how this thing I done.
I will.
Yes,
I
when
will.
we have our mercantiles around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the question I was just asking is that guy told me about. Maybe you can just give us maybe if he was just strong or just the way that if they're just hatching now, they now take those eggs, then they put them to the incubators, then for hatching. After hatching now, they want to treat them with I don't know which kind of hormone is that.
No,
So I don't know what.
For monosex, we treat them with the metatestosterone hormone.
That one.
Again, for just mixing, we just live like that. We don't maybe feed on them.
Oh, do you sell fingerlings?
Yes.
You sell fingerlings.
Yes, we
Which
sell-
kind of fingerlings?
We sell
The male or female?
both.
Both. Whoever need female.
Both mix and mono. We don't have a male and a female. We have monosex and mixed sex.
Okay.
Yes. Mixed sex, mixed female and male. But
For reproduction.
For mono, we have only males.
Males
we
only.
don't have the mono for females.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The methyl-testosterone hormone is purposely for reversing
Female to male
female to male.
only.
Yes.
So it's the same protocol, guys. Whoever are just talking about how can you just change female to male, you have now had it's the real thing that occurs into the hatching zone. That's female and now done what?
The female are
Reversed to male.
Yes.
The same protocol. You can remember the video I just talked about, and you talked about how can it be? So it's the same protocol.
Yeah,
It's possible. Okay. Where next?
Peter, we can continue. Njuga vekirega you know you are being captured, eh?
Yeah.
Being is also our
Come nearer
nesting
the
pond.
photo, if possible. That is now they're coming.
Now, what's the act of this small house here? What is it for?
Peter, you can explain about that.
This is a chicken house.
Oh,
Yes.
now,
We are doing integrated farming. Huh?
We are doing integrated farming.
Mhm.
Now the purpose of this house, we rear chicken inside here.
we got chicken here.
We can get eggs from this chicken.
Yeah.
At the same time, the droppings of the chicken can become fertilizer to the fish pond. So that's,
Also, it acts as a supplement. Huh?
Yeah.
They can feed on it.
they can
Because
feed on the droppings of the
yeah.
chicken.
They're of different sizes, yeah?
No, they're the same. Huh?
Same, but some
you
are...
know, some they are how to grow.
Look
you
at
know,
this.
some are big.
Look at this.
Yes.
Very big one here. Wow. This is now what we want to practice at our area. So as people can now view them, how they're just fed, how they look like, how big they are, different types of colors they are. So that one, the golden one, and I don't know which one else, I'll just...
The
koi cups, those ones.
Committees.
Even these ones here, they have the reddish in color.
The red
I've
is
seen.
specifically.
Look at that one.
That color is just for mating. Eh? After mating, they just come back to normal.
Oh,
Yes, they attract the females. Eh? When they are ready to mate, they just put those colors to attract the females.
okay.
But after that, after maybe spawning, they just relax and then they go another circle.
We have different stages. Woo. Wow. So, now we are done here. Where next? You have talked about this just where you get some, talk about
But
the
at the
chicken
moment,
waste.
we don't have a...
Why you sold? You know, it's
we
Christmas.
sold and we have not replaced it. Did you request for the same?
Yes, I've got it. Very soon we shall
Yeah.
have chicken.
How do they grow? How do they adjust with the
They're big.
climate?
They are big.
You know, it's now cold climate here.
No. They're just doing fine. You know,
And how do you enter there? Do you have some stairs here?
we had like in Nivera too imetolewa.
Due to unconditional circumstances
Not
of
even
now.
the condition. That thing was so weak. They
Oh,
decided to remove
by
it.
the way.
But they will be
Renovated?
very soon.
Then everything will now come back to the reality form.
Yeah.
Okay. But this pond somehow long. So what about this pond? It can accommodate up to 3,000?
2,000 maximum. Yes, 2,000. You know, here we are in a Kenya Marine Fisheries Research Institute. We are not doing a cooking here. We are just doing actual things.
Okay.
Yes,
For
as
people
part
to
of the
learn,
Yes. This is a research center, a center of excellence. So we are supposed to do things as they are. And that's supposed to be done.
That's why we can see the fish coming out. So the question, how can I do so as my fish can now be coming out this way? Is it now the mode of just giving them some feeds? They now just get that mood that somebody is just approaching and they come out?
No. They don't just come like that. They know that time. Like now, they know the position specifically when somebody stand here. They know automatically they are being fed.
Okay.
This is the position.
Oh, this is the position,
Yes.
They have their own position now.
Yes, take feeds.
Okay.
Yeah.
But whenever you are just feeding them here, do you think that some fish can just take the advantage of just staying at this only one corner?
No, they couldn't. They couldn't.
They just
spread.
randomly?
Yeah, like now, they told, Peter, you can just proceed and tell them why did they come near us.
They came near us because we gave them food from their table, the usual table.
Okay.
This is where we feed.
They have a dining table?
They
Yes.
have a dining table.
Oh.
And you have to train them to always feed from their dining
The
table.
position,
Okay.
The same position.
Same position.
always.
Okay. Next step.
Maybe you can go
This guy is my boda who just brought me from Kisii town. Maybe people who knows you, do they know who you are, man? What's your name, man?
My name is Alex Mose.
Alex Mose. Which stage?
Makutano.
Makutano stage.
Yeah.
Any part of Kisii you always go?
Yes.
Alex Mose. Talked about Alex Mose.
Alex Mose.
Alex Mose. They will now know you. Kerubo will know you. Naitwaje? Wakisi. Kerubo. Richard Ngetich. I don't know what.
Nyanjama.
Hey. Osongo.
Yanziagoka.
Wow. Now, guys, this is how the protocol is just ongoing onto this fish farm here. And everything, I'm just going to cover it from here. So as we can learn more about whatever, I'm just going to stock at the fish ponds we have. So we want just to see how the growing rate is and whatever they just passing through, so as they come up to be so big. And I cannot forget to ask which kind of feeds they're just fed with, so as we don't have a problem of feeding. So we shall have to purchase the feeds for the feeding of whatever we have. So guys, I'll just be back whenever we're just going to talk about how the purchase is and how they're just going to transportation, whatever, anything. I'm just going to come back as we are just going to discuss whatever we're just having and whatever I'm just going to purchase here. So guys, keep it locked. I'll be back. So guys, we have some ponds here. You can now see even fish are just and they are greenish in color, not like these ones here. Some of others they are reddish in color, some water somehow clear, but these ones here they have greenish color. So I know fertilization has been done here thoroughly. So which kind of the species are you just rearing onto this area here? Can now see here, maybe?
I told you this only for production ponds.
Production.
We are only rearing these liners ponds for only monosex.
Monosex.
We don't want to maybe contaminated.
Yeah.
Contamination, that's why we use only liners for monosex production. But for the hardened ponds, we usually use them for mixed sex production. Can you get that point?
Clearly.
Yes.
Point taken.
Yes.
And you have some others here. These are now for
experimental
experimental,
yeah.
from the hatching,
Yes. Holding tank maybe.
Holding tanks,
even
yeah.
those hoppers.
Yeah. Hoppers.
Once we are done from here.
Oh, I can tell the hoppers what are they
yes,
for.
After being fed that hormone for a month, they are taken to the hopper waiting for the cells.
The cells.
Yes.
Yeah, I know that. I know that one. So we have now a hatchery here. What is now running out from the nani?
Wow.
This is now, it's somehow warm. Warm. Wow.
Maybe you can respect the picture, though we are not active. Like now, I told you people are
Yeah. Yeah. Everything is not taking place right now here. But I have a different species here, guys. Let me show you. Look at this. Whoever likes this, how are they called? Golden fish? Golden fish?
Yes, these are ornamental fish.
Ornamental golden, eh?
We have,
Yeah.
ornamental fish, we have a Sarasa committee. We have a yellow committee and orange committee. I think
This is?
these orange committee, we have a yellow one and a black one. I think that we have a black one there.
Guys, we have now the colored fish. Whoever was just looking for the colored fish, this is a place to be in Kisii by the name Nyanguru area here. So guys, we have this colored fish.
Kenya Marine and Fisheries Research Institute.
Kenya Marine
And Research Institute. Yeah.
and Research Institute.
Kegat.
Kegati.
Yeah.
Hey. Point to be taken. Guys, we have the yellow, talked about the orange and yellow.
Yellow and the black.
So, but are they tilapia?
Not tilapia. They are ornamental. They are just like that.
They're like that.
Yes, that's
But
why they are.
from the look, do they look like tilapia fish?
Yes, they look like tilapia, but it's an ornamental.
Wow.
These are goldfish.
Gold, eh?
Yes.
Goldfish.
Yani the features, he's saying about the features.
Fishes.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
it's a goldfish, it's a species.
I saw some charcoals here. I saw some charcoals.
Maybe Peter, you can explain the process.
It's just charcoals,
For
guys.
example, we have the municipal water. when it comes in, it doesn't come so direct. We just
Or this for the sealing purposes, or
Not the sealing,
not it's so called the filtration,
yes. They just go
sieving, yani.
Yes.
Or they have to be sieved before they have an outlet now. Now to the tanks.
Yes, the tank. You know, they have their own tanks, eh?
Yeah.
We can maybe cut from, maybe we can even layer the fish.
From these ones, eh?
Yes, yeah.
So it's not a must that you have something. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Okay. See, these are for the hatcheries only.
These are the for production farms, only.
But the written
But for the other one,
3 millimeters is for the growers, which is
Yes,
just somehow big.
the growers.
Yeah, for the growers.
Yes.
Do you have your own brand of feeds, or you do purchase?
Oh, we don't purchase. We only go this for experiment. Ukiona hii samaki yani hiyo fix yenye imekuwa imeletwa hivyo from mfuko is for an experiment. Lakini zetu ni yao.
Whoever wants maybe to nullify, you can just get that. You can now scan it. And what about we talk about? Can I purchase this one as me as a farmer? Yeah.
From here.
Not only from here.
No.
Is it the we talk
Like
about?
us, we have our own. Maybe here we have experts who process that, maybe meals, fish feed, any fish feed from the starter to the blower.
Yeah.
Yes.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, I am a laboratory analyst here. My name is Mahangi Pitondwi.
Which specific place are you? From the hatcheries to growers to any point, or is just from the hatchery nurseries, or which specific point do you are you an analyst?
In charge of instrumental lab.
Or instrumental lab?
Yeah.
Yes.
And a wet lab.
And a wet lab.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name again, maybe?
I'm Alice Biaka, a principal of Laboratory Technologies.
Yeah.
In charge of hatchery and the feed combination.
KMFRI.
Yes, these are planned. This is our plan
Wow.
for the fish.
Yeah, I just taken it. Good. So I can now see the tilapia fish drawn here.
Yes, and the
But you never draw some golden fish here. Is it only this one? Oh, I see this one has some reddish color. Okay, thank you. Yeah, what's your name, bro?
My name is Justin Chan.
Justin?
Chandi.
Chandi.
Yes.
Yeah, which kind of, maybe we talk about specialist you are here, maybe, which is category?
I'm a research intern.
You are a return?
Intern.
Intern?
Yes.
Oh, you are internship, eh?
Yes.
So you learned about the fish farming?
Yes.
Or aquaculture?
Yeah.
Aquaculture.
Yes.
Which institution, bro?
Kisi Polytechnic.
Kisi Polytechnic.
Yes.
So you want to, what are you doing? I saw you're just pulling some pipes here.
We want to add some water to the other tank before
Thank you.
catfish there for production.
Oh,
You can just go and
is
see
it
them.
is it available?
Yes, Rani, you can show them.
The catfish. But this place is so hot. Hey. Is it available? Talking about a catfish is here.
They're here, but you cannot
Many?
see them clearly because I've just added water.
Do you have a scoop net?
Of course we do.
Oh, they're there. You can scoop one, please. Hey, madam. Yes. Can he scoop one?
Maybe you can scoop for you one,
Yeah.
but they are not supposed to be disturbed.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they are for production. They are preparing for production.
Okay.
Like if you just make one,
Yeah. Just viewing. Yeah. Yeah, we return it back. Thank you. Wow. Let me put my. Wow. Guys, hey, so cold here. It's very hot by the way. You can now see. Wow. Very hot. So guys, we have to know more about this hatchery zone, and we are now going to get the catfish zone, or the hatching of this catfish. We have a scoop net. We have a scoop net here. Chandi.
Yes, sir.
Chandi is going to just give me one. Is it available? Is it available? Oh, they're there. They're there. Look at that one. Look at that one. Wow. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Woo! Look at this. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Very big one. This is now the catfish. But it's over. Return it back. So, do they eat each other?
That's cannibalism now. They're carnivorous.
They are carnivorous.
And aggressive.
And very aggressive.
Yes, that's why.
Let me look at it. It has a.
That's why this we have to do artificial propagation. So for them to propagate.
Okay.
Yes, they are not their natural environment. Maybe on the ponds they don't produce. They just take their eggs, all the they are carnivore. That's why most of the time those people who are rearing catfish fingerlings, they have a challenge,
Okay.
especially when they are growing. When they are young, growing to the adult stage, they usually eat others.
Okay.
Yes, they practice
Cannibalism.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please be active if you can explain how you can treat that wound. Just
maybe we can just take it.
Potassium
you
permanganate.
can take a normal salt, maybe you potassium permanganate. You just eat it for 5 minutes and remove the fish out. Yeah, it can recover from that wound.
Okay.
Yes.
Potassium permanganate.
Yes.
Potassium permanganate, I know it's an alkalinity. An alkaline.
but it is medicine.
It is medicine.
Somehow
For
salt.
fungal, maybe for fungal infection.
For fungal infection.
For any stress,
Yes.
it can assist.
Okay. Those are now the treatments of maybe fungal diseases. Wow. Now we are in actual now practice here. But how old is this, by the way? I don't think.
Chandi, you can explain it.
But I think it's about Chandi.
You know these things, they grow faster.
They grow very fast. Yeah. How old is it? I can talk about 9 months, not even a year.
A year.
A year?
Probably a year.
1 year.
Yes.
Given
Maybe you
some.
can just treat it with the permanganate and take it. Maybe you just leave it there to rest for some time. Yeah.
With the catfish, they can survive in a place with that low.
Concentration.
Yes.
Low. Oh, okay.
Like you cannot compare a catfish with tilapia.
Yeah.
Not condemned.
Even the period of time it can just take outside. It's very long.
It's
very long.
Even
Yeah.
a day, this
Yeah.
thing
Yeah. I know
Before
it.
without water.
I know it. By the way. Wow. This is just a year.
They're big. They're almost 3 kg.
Yeah.
Almost 3 kilograms.
3 kg. They're big. They're somewhere big.
Okay. Guys, welcome back. Now you can now see the altar as I have. So I'm just going to roll in onto the fish pond. So as we can just take 2-3 golden fish, which kind of color we can just go and catch from the fish pond right now here. So that's where we are just heading. We have the master in front of us. We are just going to roll there. You can now see how I'm now cladding the position of now getting the fish from the fish pond, guys. Keep it locked, be with me as we are just going to roll in onto the fish pond. Welcome. Have the cladding gears and a net here.
Weathers.
The expertise. They are called
Weathers.
weathers.
Fishing weathers.
Fishing weathers.
Yes.
Wow. So that's how people do clad. They have a gumboot. Yeah. Wapi mbele hapa. This one here. Yeah.
Fishing weathers.
Fishing weathers. Hii gumboots ni ndogo.
Yako ndio kubwa. Lakini jaribu. Umeingia. Bora tu mguu ingie.
Okay. Imeshika.
The gumboot somehow small. I have to put something. Unapita juu.
Hiyo. Sasa wewe. You can improvise kama hiyo.
Wagwan. Fish farmer.
Ne.
Here in
Kegati.
Kemfree Kegati station.
Kenafric.
Kemfree Kegati.
Kemfree Kegati fish farming project.
Alafu chukua wewe video juu. Sasa picha chini. Juu. Juu nani atashika leo? Nikwambia nikaa.
Tuko.
Guys, this is just the harvesting costume. They have their own name, so we have the fish we are talking about. Can I touch it? This one. Wow, look at this, guys. Now we have what we got here. This, guys. Wow. To our marwa site. Wow. They are just draining some water out so as they can. Wow, guys. Look at this. Fair. Tuko tunachanga mama.
Mnanichangia bwana niende. Kwe. 5 ngoko iba bana to deka 5 goita e 5 anda hapa na akamongara kamona
Golden one. Those are just tilapia. Don't need tilapia. You have or lazima yeko, this is just clean water, eh?
Kuna tu unaenda mbali hiyo.
This clean water.
Very clean, eh? That's how the pepper is. So he has to roll it tight first. For the people who want to know what's an aquarium, this is just an aquarium that's constructed. This is just a glass just made just combined with glues, and it's now called an aquarium, like these ones here. So whoever talking about aquarium, you can just use this aquarium in terms of now stocking some fish there, like the golden one, so for easy viewing for the house. So if you want more of these things, you can just contact me in my hashtag number, WhatsApp number, then we can do the business together, which is just a +2547 00490047, guys. Thank you very much for whoever is just watching. Let me show you how they're just now transferring them. This is how they look like. From here to Nyabwanse. Several kilometers. Chumvi? That's the next bag. Packaging bag.
Si huyu atakupeleka mpaka huko.
Direct itakuwa cost, bro. Wow, oxygenation now. Look at this. Oxygenation. So as I can now be transferred from here to different positions. Look at this. Using a bladder. They tie it. That's what we are going to do. Back, it's _Gintu. I've now arrived at marwa main engine here, so you can now see these are the fish, the golden, just called the koi fish. I've just arrived with it around here, so I'm just going to stock them to the fish pond, so as they don't suffocate here. I've just given 4 good hours, so as I should have stocked them. So guys, welcome, as we are just going forward to just stock them onto the fish pond there. So it's now I've just arrived. The only good mean of transport is just the use of motorbike just to reach onto this area. So just viewing, people are just viewing, so as we can now go and stock them to the fish ponds. Well and good. The song maji ndio kidogo. No, oxygen is yeah, enough oxygen inside.
But it's very big, that one.
Yeah, that one is so big, eh?
So big.
Yeah.
Let's put it inside, Mres. Kuje kufia hapa kwa mlango.
Yeah. You can give me a shout out maybe.
Hey,
yeah, I can
what's
just
up,
put
Maro?
Maro.
Let's somebody. What's up? It's Maro here. I'm with I am _Gintu or it eats.
Yeah.
So we want to put this into the fish pond before 4 hours are over.
Yeah.
Aya, let's go, Jamie. Let's go.
Welcome.
Let's go. Beba hiyo ingine tena. Chacha. Nice one. Nimefanya samaki zimefika hapa. Is you waiting 1 minute?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you.
Wait. Yes, we're going to put the fish on the fish pond. I'm going to your best. Nice fish.
Guys, these are the fish ponds we have around here. So going to stock the fish, and these are just the fish ponds we have around here. So as we can now install these fish onto that fish pond. So I'm just going to enter onto the fish pond, so as we stock them correct. Wow.
You decided you're gonna put them here.
Yeah.
Okay. And they will not disappear again. How they are expensive.
They will not disappear because there are tilapia fish inside here. So as they're now.
You don't have a different cloth.
No problem. I have them onto my back.
Short. You can give you a short.
No, I have another trouser.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's a grown man. He knows.
So I have to start with this one here.
Yeah.
The small one.
So no.
Or the big one.
The big one.
Okay.
So you should just put it onto the water this way.
Okay.
Then you untie.
They gave you 4 hours.
Yeah.
I am mtoto. Mtoto anataka kuona na ameacha nyuma. Strongman nisaidie hapo. Kanyaga hapo juu, angalia samaki. Nataka uruke juu. Ndio baba. Uruke ndani. Uruke ndani aone tu. Hapo hapo sawa. Hiyo mfuko tutaweka tu, tuna transportia.
Yeah. Oxygen.
Oxygen in
Oh, they put oxygen
inside, huh?
It's tied twice. There are 2. Yeah.
My God.
They're tied twice. So this one is just an outer one.
Okay.
So there's the inner one, which is this one. So this now is now the final one.
What's the reason of tying twice?
Because of the oxygen should not leak.
I want it
Okay.
down behind.
Yeah.
So I'm able to film for people.
This
Right
place,
there, right there.
water is so high. You cannot see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, this is natural water. Yes. They gave us 4 hours.
4 hours.
And already we spent 30 minutes trying to admire the fish.
So you just inlise it onto the water. So as the water pond first should go in.
Oh.
Yeah. So as to now go out on itself.
Oh, so you don't even touch it.
Yeah, you don't touch it. When pond water will now go, it will now neutralize it. Then it will now neutralize the water that was
Look,
down
look,
in.
look,
You can now see. It's now going, eh?
Hey, you're a real fisherman.
It's now going, eh? It's there.
Go
It has
on.
disappeared, eh? Yeah.
Guys, I'm trying to make this water clear so that people can enjoy.
Yeah.
So that's why we are still working on the other fish pond.
The
over
first
there.
one. Second one.
Okay. Careful. So I'm really working.
Songa huko aone basi venye tena.
Actually, you guys saw them. You guys saw a lot of them over there. When the sun is out, they come up here.
Then you come here.
Kinara, you are a separate.
Eh?
They have gone. That one has gone already.
Oh.
This underscore didn't give you a number out. Maybe somebody will give you a job. You never know.
Okay.
Plus 254.
7
Okay.
00 oh, plus 2547 00 49 0047.
All right.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at, can you see the red ones are here? They're all going. But they call them koi.
Koi.
Yeah, the koi.
Koi. Yes. I saw them in Hawaii a lot. Actually, those don't run away from people.
Yeah, they don't run. They have been introduced to feeds. They come alone to eat feeds wherever people are just there. They come.
Yeah.
So you just in nice water first in. So as now neutralize the one I have now transported them with. Then they'll go out on themselves. There.
Wow, there's one which is so red. No, I mean not red. I mean the color. Is that red or pink or orange? Orange. It's orange, right? Yeah, right there.
It's like tango.
That's the one. Wow. There's nothing inside, even a small bucket.
Nothing.
Wait a little bit, my friend.
Next.
How many fish did you bring in total?
17 are the ones that you purchased. These ones, an offer.
Oh, these ones?
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
Yeah, this one is just an offer. Somehow tilapia,
Okay.
but they have red fins.
Yeah, red fish.
Yeah, tails. Yeah,
And they say these are breeders.
they breed.
Okay.
Even the big one, they told me next time when the holidays are over,
Yeah.
I should purchase another one so as they can now relax on themselves, the big one.
Oh, the big one.
Yes.
And how do you know female and male?
They told me they only rear female.
They only?
They rear female.
Okay.
The pond that they just remove them
Okay.
was just from the female pond.
Okay.
Yeah, the breeding pond.
But we need a male one, right? Or any other? Or how do you even fish lay eggs and give?
Oh, in terms of laying eggs,
Yeah.
fish are just the tilapia fish are multi-breeders. They just remove their eggs from the mouth.
what?
Okay.
Yeah, so when they remove the eggs from the mouth, the male should have just looked for a perfect place that's just called a barrow, like these ones here.
Yeah.
So, but inside here.
Yeah, that's
So
why.
Have another
Yeah.
floating.
That's why.
This one.
That's why, guys. We need
That's why we used the cement
the
bags.
same bag.
So they
Size
now-
from up
Yeah.
to the ground.
So they have
So that
some.
they can find a place.
Yeah, they have some barrows
Hang
here.
around.
Some barrows here.
Yeah.
That male first goes and just attract that place. Then it just prepare that place for the female to lay some eggs. Wow. So now the 1.5.
1.5 them. Okay. I think we want the big ones.
Yeah.
I will buy at least every big fish pond at least
Yeah.
should have at least 4.
Yeah.
Why is that one like floating?
This one?
That one.
It's now just adjusting the climate.
Oh, this is the ones that were in the
Hatcheries.
hatchery.
Yeah.
So they are wondering what is this.
Yeah.
Oh,
But by time,
there's a small one there, guys. A very small, tiny one.
Wow, is that the red one here?
I have a question.
Yeah.
I don't know how do they place oxygen inside the
inside
bag?
here,
Yes.
when they just pour some water here, they now put in some fish. So after putting in some fish with water, now they take an oxygen. They have an oxygen cylinder which is just piped. So they just inlays here a pipe. Then they seal here with these are we call it the bladder. Then when tied here, so very tightly, So the oxygen is now driven to this polythene bag. Then after there, they now withdraw that pipe. So this place is sealed. Yeah. The oxygen sometimes to other companies.
Guys, I'm told this fish, they sell them per inch.
Yeah, per inch.
I am still thinking about that.
These small fish here, they were most were 4.5 inch.
Imagine
Most were 4.5.
selling your items per inch. Per inch. That's a lot of money. Per
They
inch.
make a lot of money actually.
You can be richer than
Per each.
That is a lot of money.
They are going.
So they have cleared.
Yes.
I want to make this water very clean. By then, what my plan is, we will put stones down here, and the stones will seal all the dirt. Then the water will look like. Actually, it's the same process we're gonna use there. The one we've used there, you know that water right now is so clean, guys. I take you there. You can't believe. And also that means I'll have to be careful.
I talked about they can just tell me more about them in terms of breeding. They told me they breed on themselves.
So you say on Tuesday, we need to go and get some more.
We can.
Okay, let me see if I'll have money because these things are very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can just finish by just saying thank you, Marwa. You have just made my day. So it was somehow tiresome.
Very.
Just going and coming back the same day.
You also went to Udindudi also or no?
No, I went with a mat.
But coming back, you used
A motorbike.
because it's faster.
Yeah, it's more faster than a
They
mat.
gave you only 4 hours.
4 hours. So it's like 2 hours only of transport now I've used.
Oh, from
Only 2
there
hours.
it's
Yeah,
2 hours.
Yeah, only 2 hours.
Wow.
Because the guy I chose was so
Swift.
energetic enough and speeding.
That's why I want him to sleep. He cannot go back.
He can sleep. Yeah. So if people can just get onto my YouTube channel, it's _Gintu.
Yes.
Things about
I'll put his YouTube channel link here, guys. Things about fishing and everything, guys. Reach to him.
Yes. You can just know more about the construction of ponds, whichever kind of a pond, maybe an aquarium, we have earthen ponds, we have cages, we have
My question is, can people swim with fishes? That one I'll leave it for my audience, not you. Please tell me, guys, can people swim with fish? If that's the case, we can allow at least 5 people here. Every time.
Say,
They work or
talk to
no?
your fellow guy here, he's a Kisian guy.